Hello, this is Josiah Winslow recording for his client server and e-commerce implementations class for instructor Mark Cribb. Now this video is my assignment 1. He says to 1. Review the course syllabus, which I've done. I've read the syllabus and I agree to its terms. 2. Post an introduction message in the discussion forum, which I've also done. And 3. Install your development environment following the instructions found in these two Google Docs. Now, luckily for me, because this is my second time taking this class, I've done that a long time ago. Although the instructions don't seem to have been updated since then, because they still all say Mike Hunsaker, because he was my instructor back then. And they say ITDEV-160. Yeah, Mike Hunsaker. He was my teacher back then, and he was a really good teacher. I also had him for web programming with scripts, which was nice. Now then it says to install 3 things. I have Git, and I used it to make 2 commits. One, the initial for starting the repository, the example repository that it says to make, and another to prove that I can commit something. Now, actually, I hadn't updated Git basically since I took that class, and it wouldn't let me commit the second time until I logged in from the terminal, and it wouldn't let me log in from the terminal until I updated Git, a fact which I had to annoyingly Google in order to get it. So, yeah, it says 25 minutes ago, but it took me like literally 12 minutes to sort through that. I didn't know what was happening. But, yeah. So that's done. I also have Visual Studio Code. Oh, that's my to-do list, sorry. I have Visual Studio Code, and at the moment I have some files from another class loaded in it because I'm about to finish that assignment. Possibly. I don't know. I need time. And I also have Node.js. Not nose. I can't type. Yep. There it is. And I can run it and stuff, and it'll do things once we get down to using it. And yeah. With that being said, thank you so much. I look forward to attending this class and being taught what I need to be taught. I never know how to end these videos. I'm very awkward.